What is up, guys? I have a question. Do you feel like making some beats? Because I kinda do. I was supposed to like do some other things, actually do something useful to the world and productive. Actually, I'm gonna just make a beat. Recently, I have released a black hole sample pack. It's a trap drum kit. It's useful for trap, rap, even for pop and future bass. Link in the description if you wanna check it out. By the way, if you go to the website, you can preview all the sounds. Yeah, this is too cool not to pick this guy. Let's now pick a melody loop. This is too good. Slow it down. Okay, so we now are gonna put an 808 here, which is B in this case. Basically put the 808 when the kick hits. It's kind of cool. I wanna see a different one. Ooh, that's cool. How about layering these guys too? So I'm gonna use this LFO tool to add some movement, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna freeze the track. Let's say we got this thing. Now I can do this. I can use transient. I can do 1/8. To chop it up, then add some reverb on this. We can add portal. So what I want to do is I want to do like like a hard hit on the offbeat. Okay, so after chopping the sample, this is what I got. Okay, so I guess we started with this. Here's the thing. I haven't watched Simon Servida enough to know the proper arrangement. Man, if you're watching, please don't criticize me. I'm just a noob. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to do a little bit of the intro kind of deal. What I like to do for the intro personally, I like to just put the transposition down and use the beats mode. This way you get really deep sound and it kind of like switches. And I am gonna need... So there are these two reverse crashes. And I'm gonna take one of them and put it right before the snare. Maybe take this snare. This vocal here. Okay, I'm gonna pitch this down. Because we already have a melody in this frequency range, I'm gonna just put this one, the low octave one. I'm telling you bro, check out this spot. Samples inside my fucking smack. Punch sleeve, curl T address, missile condition, face recognition. Whisper, pitch, beer shower, delicate hour, traction power. Wait, bro, is it good? Don't be a pussy, pick up sounds. I'm not pushy, I'm lifting grounds. Check description, right? Yeah, this is modern music. Hell yeah. Okay. Now I understand how you make modern rap music. Everyone, if you wanna check out the sample pack, check out the link in the description. As you can see, you can make really great hits with it. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe if you did so. Have a nice day and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.